Hello my friends, welcome back to Akitechspace. Believe it or not, my video quality didn't always look good. Check out this unboxing video I did 8 years ago. Today, I will be sharing 5 things that transform my video content creation. As always, you can find the links to these products in the description box below. Now, let's get to it. First up, we've got the light bar. Now, I won't bore you with a lecture on the importance of lighting in filming. Instead, let me show you how these newer light bars instantly boosted my footage. Just take a look, the difference is remarkable. What sets these light bars apart is their versatility. Thanks to its design, I can place them anywhere, set them to different colors. These light bars make video lighting super easy, simplifying the whole process. And you know what they say? Less friction means more action. With various accessories included, you can get creative with how you use them. A single charge typically lasts me 2 hours, and it's super bright. I've found myself using it for gaming or as a reading light. Talk about versatility. One tip I would like to share is to get 2 light bars so you can have an even lighting. The second thing that caught me by surprise, but instantly made my videos better, was getting a good microphone. Specifically, the Elgato Wave 3 mic. It's not just about fancy tech. This mic made my voice sound clear and rich in a way I did not expect. I tested against my Sony a7 III and iPhone 13 mini. And here is how they sound. This is the microphone from the Sony a7 III. This is the microphone on my iPhone 13 mini. And this is speaking from the Elgato Wave 3. The difference was crystal clear. I went with the Elgato Wave 3 not just because it's a mic, because of its user-friendly features. Elgato is known for top-notch streaming hardware, which means I can also use it for gaming. The capacitor mute/unmute button at the top is a handy touch, and I appreciate the minimalist single knob button that lets me switch between the 3 adjustable settings. Its sleek black design, mostly metal build, and solid sturdy base make recording a great experience. It's these practical features that make the Elgato Wave 3 an essential tool for stepping up my content creation game. The third essential on my list is the set of affordable and vibrant desk mats I stumbled upon on Amazon. These mats serve as a fantastic background, adding a burst of color to whatever I'm showcasing in front of the camera. My personal favorite is the yellow one. It's lively, striking the perfect balance between tech and fun. Despite not being a genuine leather, the texture of these mats is impressive. What makes these mats even more versatile is their dual color feature. You can easily flip them to achieve a completely different look. Currently, I have 2 mats, but I'm definitely eyeing on more colors or different textures for variety. However, keep in mind that it doesn't have to be desk mats specifically. It could be anything intriguing, like a wooden tabletop. The key is to ensure that it complements your showcased item and is well lit to bring out the best in your content. The 4th things that really boost my content creation is kind of unexpected. It's a book, but not just any book. It's these cool books filled with pictures from sci-fi and video games. These books mostly have pictures with little explanations about the arts and why the artist made them. One of my favorites is by an artist named Sid Mead, who was the visual artist for the original Blade Runner movie. Looking at his pictures, the colors, and how things are composed, it all gives me ideas when I'm making videos. Sure, you can find pictures online, but what's great about these books is that I find pictures I've never seen before. When I get inspired by these pictures, I try to use similar idea in my videos. For example, finding cool futuristic tech or using graphics that have sci-fi look. I am really into tech and sci-fi, and that's why I love making videos on my YouTube channel. So, no matter what niche you are in, think about trying out an art book related to your interests. Sometimes, a picture can tell a story better than words. Now, you might be curious about how I achieve these perfect top-down shots. Well, my secret weapon is the newer top-down filming rig. There's something special about capturing the angle directly from above that makes the whole shots look fantastic. Setting up the camera quickly for these shots have not only made my workflow more efficient, but also more enjoyable. Bonus tip, one more thing that has boosted my content creation is using props that showcase your personality. For me, it's toy figures and my plants. It can be anything that reflects who you are and makes you stand out. Play around with colors to see how they complement your video. To sum it up, these 5 things really boosted my videos. From colorful desk mats to cool artbooks, a handy overhead rig, and personal props. They make a big difference. Share in the comments what unexpectedly improved your videos. Find links to these items in the description, and remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips. I will see you in the next one.